Hello React.js developers, let's create this type of counter application with the help of use state hooks. So we can increase the counter and decrease counter, and if you want to reset, you can reset. So let's move to VS Code. So we are in VS Code and let's create a project. So move to terminal and here we create npm create white white project, and our project name is counter app, and framework is React, and language is JavaScript. If you want to install npm, yes I want, so it will install npm I. So here we have all things. So first remove this assets folder, we do not want this, and let's remove this index.css, and here remove this all the stuff that are present inside this app.css, and remove this one also. So let's make them empty. Fine. And now start writing our program. So function is app, go inside this application, and here we use return, and before return we use our hook. So count, sorry, not count, const equal to your count, comma set count with the help of use state hook, and initialize our count with 0. I know there is some issue, but no problem, let's manage. Now let's increase our counter, increase count. So const increase is equal to arrow function, and for increase that we use set count as increase count plus 1 for increase, and for decrease count const decrease equal to arrow function, and here set count for decrease, so count minus 1, simple, to decrease count, and reset count const reset is equal to arrow function, and set count as reset. रीसेट में हम क्या करेंगे, जीरो कर देंगे इसको बस, रीसेट थोड़ी यूज करेंगे इसमें, बस जीरो रिटर्न कर देना है तो रीसेट हो जाएगा. Then inside this return statement, return and create a div container. Inside this container, create a s1 tag for react counter app, and let's take a h2 tag for count. And next one is our div for buttons. Now buttons नाम की एक div लेंगे और इसके अंदर जाएंगे और buttons क्रिएट करेंगे. बटन में एक लेंगे ऑन क्लिक फंक्शन, ऑन क्लिक फंक्शन क्या होगा हमारा, सबसे पहला होगा इंक्रीज. तो यहाँ पे इंक्रीज करना है तो यहाँ पे लेंगे इंक्रीमेंट, और एक और बटन क्रिएट करेंगे तो इसको हम ऐसा करेंगे, कॉपी कर लेंगे 3 टाइम्स. दिस इज फॉर डिक्रीज, एंड यहाँ पे लेंगे सिंपल डिक्रीमेंट, और यहाँ पे हमें लेना है रीसेट, तो इसको भी करेंगे रीसेट. दिस इज अवर रीसेट बटन. क्लोज दिस एंड एक्सपोर्ट डिफॉल्ट, default f semicolon, and this is the issue. So we should import this. We are not using different way. Import your hook. So use state hook from React. It is important, and let's run this. Is this running anywhere? npm run dev cd and change directory counter f, and npm run dev So here we have our application. So let's provide CSS for this. Let's provide CSS for this. And before providing CSS, we need to import our app.css. Let's hide this, and here import app.css semicolon and start writing our CSS program. For all, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, what's happening, border box, and font family and Arial sans serif dot container. Inside this container, text align center and margin from top, margin top is 80 pixel. So margin top is provided. Now next one is h1 tag. For h1, provide margin from bottom is 30 pixel. This well? Yes. Now move to h2 tag. So let's take font size is 30 pixel, or we can take a higher one, and margin from bottom is 30 pixel. And let's take a color for this count is 253v6ce, कुछ भी ले लो color 2563ev. This is our color for this h2 count. And provide style for this button, and margin is 15 pixel, and padding is 12 pixel and 15 pixel, and border radius is also 15 pixel. And let's take border none, take font size 18 pixel, and cursor pointer and color is white. Mm, So next one is क्या करेंगे buttons, button and its child one. Go inside this and let's take background is green. The first one is green. Let's take these three for all three buttons. Child 2 for our buttons and child 3 for our button. And change this color. Color is crimson, and provide this color as gray. Good. Now next one is buttons. Button hover is and opacity as hover is 0.8. Fine. So this is our counter application. After providing this CSS, so we can increase our counter, decrease counter as per our need, and you can reset too. So this is our counter application. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will create some more React.js project in this series. So let's connect with us.